The routing feature is used to build and save driving routes and works in conjunction with our Google Maps integration. A route can be built from CRM records as well as locations not in CRM. So to start, let's open the company search and find some companies you'd like to visit. All companies in a certain city, for example. In the results area, check next to each company you'd like to add to the route. When done, click the Map button. The selected records will appear on the map as pins. Click a pin on the map and then click Add to Route. Continue this until the route is complete. Each stop on the map is then referred to as a waypoint. In the Route dialog on the right, drag and drop records to change the order of waypoints. The Optimize Route feature from the menu can also be used to automatically set the most efficient route for you. Click the gear icon next to a waypoint to open a card with the following options. Edit is used to rename the waypoint. Delete will remove the waypoint. Add activity can be used to add an activity to the record that defines the waypoint. And Open Card, which will open the record that's attached to the waypoint. So let's add an activity to the first stop on the route. When you click Activity, you will first be prompted to save the route if it isn't already, so let's save the route at this point. Once the route is saved, reopen Options on the first waypoint and click Activity. Be sure to set the start and end time on the activity. Add an activity to the next waypoint and notice how routing factors in travel time between the waypoints to set the optimal start and end times for you. Activity times may of course be manually adjusted for any reason. The Directions area contains more details about the route. Click a waypoint to show turn-by-turn directions. Click the car icon to send that leg of the route to your default mapping program. The summary area shows the total time and distance of the route. Once the route is saved, it may also be shared with other users here. We will discuss map options in a future video. The map search field can be used to add waypoints that are not necessarily in CRM, like restaurants or other rest stops, for example. Search for a specific place name, or you can use a more generic term like restaurants, and the results will appear as blue pins on the map. In the results area, click the place you'd like to stop and add it to the route, adjusting the waypoint order as needed. Another way to build a route is from the Map button on the left toolbar. Here, a route can be built for places not in CRM. Your search criteria can be a specific company, certain types of companies, or any other Google Maps supported search term. For this training, let's locate and plan a route to local aerospace companies. Search for the word aerospace, and when the pins appear on the map, build the route the same way as we did from a CRM search. Companies found this way may be added to CRM if you'd like. Saved routes are found in the Route Search, which is located on the Map section on the left-hand menu. Map Search works like any other CRM search. Click the magnifying glass icon to show all saved routes, or use the search field to locate a specific one. Click on a route to open it, and click on the plus sign in the middle toolbar to add a new route. And this concludes our CRM 10 using the route planning feature video. Feel free to contact us with questions or suggestions.